Mission of the day, finish painting that thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing the daily dash. I gotta paint that thing. I started to yesterday, so basically everything in my bedroom is completely black, pretty much. It's a log cabin. So everything in the house is wood, except everything in my bedroom is black, except for that thing. So it's always kind of bugged me that that thing was blue. I don't really like color, to be honest. I like, I don't know. I prefer everything to be black in my room. Hang on, I'm gonna clean this lens. So we are logged into Doordash, trying to get an order on the way to Home Depot because I'm gonna get some spray paint. I was painting it with a brush yesterday. I was like, this is just taking way too damn long. I'm just gonna get some spray paint. For those of you who don't know, I'm artistically retarded. I'm really bad when it comes to like painting and all that stuff, but I'm really good with spray paint cans. Not like painting or drawing anything. Like I can like cover everything in black. That's about it. It's about as far as my art skills go. But anyway, so I got some exciting news. Well, it's exciting for me. Probably not really, doesn't really change anything for you guys. But I signed up at the new EOS gym.
If you were around.
I signed up at the new UFC gym. I canceled my membership at EOS, which is the gym that I basically always drive to. But now we are going to the new UFC gym, which opened up 2 days ago. And as soon as I saw my friend go in there, I was like, oh my God, I've been talking about going to a new gym for a while now, because EOS is just, it's like $10 a month, so there's so many people there. Like, it's like almost impossible to get any workouts done without just like, the workout always turns out to be like, okay, what's open? You know, it's not like I can go there with a plan and like, oh, this is what I want to work out today. It's more like whatever machines are available. It's just so insanely packed. But the UFC gym has a much higher price. It's like I think it's $69 or $79 for the beginning membership, and then it's $100 for the premium membership, which is the one that I got. So I kind of like that it keeps the people that aren't super serious about working out of the gym. I don't know. Those higher premium memberships usually like keep the gym much better rather than just like super packed and kind of like a Walmart gym. So anyways, that's where we're driving right now. I'm trying to get an order on the way though. So be right back when we get an order. Right. It appears we are not going to be getting any orders on the way. So I'm just going to work out, put my dash on pause. I'm actually like, anytime you go to a new gym, especially when it's like a brand new gym, which I've probably done like 5 to 10 times, no, probably like 5 or 6 times in my life. I actually, the first UFC gym that ever opened in Rosemead, California, I was like one of the first members there too. So, I don't know, anytime you go to a new gym, it's kind of really exciting, especially like a UFC gym. This is by far the nicest facility I've ever been to. They have cryotherapy, all kinds of like massage stuff. They have like a whole recovery section. There's obviously like punching bags and all that stuff, so I bring my gloves now to the gym. Anyways, so I'm super excited. I'm literally pulling up right now. The new gym is about a mile closer to me than the other gym was that I was going to, but yeah, it's just so exciting going to a new gym. So I'll be right back after the workout. All right, just left the gym. I was there for like totally an hour. That place is super fun. Got some boxing and kickboxing and stuff in. I have a bunch of bruises all over my leg now. Wearing this freaking chin diaper thing because I can't find my actual mask. And we got an order from Panera Bread. It's 1.7 miles and stays in this general vicinity. I signed up for the cryotherapy right now, so I'm gonna try to stop sweating and then come back and do it. Yesterday I did the cryotherapy, which if you guys know what cryotherapy is, it's when you stand in this basically tank that is negative 160 degrees and it freezes your whole body. You stand in there for about 3.5 minutes. I did the highest level yesterday, which I think was 100. It's negative 180, I believe. That's the highest they'll let you go. And I was like, all right, I'm going all out. Give me the highest one. And but I was kind of sweaty, so like it kind of hurt, not gonna lie. Like a lot of the sweat, like in my armpits and stuff, it felt like it froze. So I was like, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go do a DoorDash order, dry off. I think that's gonna be the new consistent thing, is like go to the gym, go do a DoorDash order, come back when I'm not sweaty and do cryotherapy. I'm gonna do it for the next month because I'm trying to heal my back, which definitely kicking and punching a bag does not help with. So I should probably chill out on that. It's just really fun. but the bags are brand new, so they freaking hurt. Anyways, we got Panera Bread, 1.7 miles. I'm pulling up right now. Be right back. All right, got the order. Now we are on the way. It's literally like right down the street. Not to an apartment, thank God. I should have checked that first, but anyways. All right, so today's pretty good. It is 100 degrees right now. So for those of you who complain about me always dashing in tank tops and cutoffs, get used to it, because it's just too damn hot to be wearing anything else. I'm literally wearing swim trunks and a cutoff shirt, so it's probably gonna be my go-to for the rest of the summer, especially if I'm going after the UFC gym every day. Anyways, all right, be right back. Gotta drop it off. No way, this is so perfect. That's literally where the gym is right there. I was about to go to the gym. I was about to go back to the gym, so I literally got an order that took me about 2 miles away or so, and now I got an order that is taking me exactly back to the gym. A perfect delivery drive today. So this is gonna be my new routine every single day, is wake up, get an order on the way to the gym, drop it off, go to the gym, work out, go do a couple more orders, come back, do cryotherapy, because I'm pretty excited to do cryo again. But I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of torturous. It's very uncomfortable for sure. But after like the first 30 seconds or so, it's like, you just kind of sit there and freeze, you know? Anyways, all right, so I can't believe how perfect that order is. Mackay Pacific Island Grill. I just went there the other day and it was so good. It's like, I guess it's like Hawaii food. Oh, my freaking back still hurts though. Anyways, oops, I almost clicked pick up. Okay, be right back. Gotta find this place because I've never actually been to this one before. All right, just dropped off that order. Now I am back at the UFC Fit Gym. About to go get frozen. So I'm gonna wrap up today's video right there, guys. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, please consider smashing the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, we have a crazy sale going right now. Go to offaccessacrobatics.com. That's my footwear company, and use my discount code TannersYouTube, and we're doing like, I think it's 65% off. I have the Ninjas up for $40 right now, so that is the absolute best price you're ever going to see these things for. And I'm just doing a quick little sale, so if you guys are watching this in the month of April 2021, go use that discount code. If you're watching in the future, just use discount code OFFACCESSTANNER. That will always be 30% off. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.